Welcome to the Berry Berry Life. Today we're going to be making my wife's favorite recipe for vegetable tofu wontons. For the wonton dipping sauce, we're going to need chopped garlic, Thai chilies, grated ginger, black vinegar, chili oil with the chili flakes inside, red chili pepper, soy sauce, vegetable stock, sesame oil, white pepper, and for the garnish, we're going to need sesame seeds, green onion, and cilantro. For the filling, we're going to need some carrots, cabbage, shiitake mushrooms. I always use fresh, and I just remove the stem, and I use that for stock. Some tofu, wonton wrappers, white pepper, sesame oil, and salt to taste. Add some oil. This is a neutral oil, safflower. Once the oil is heated, add the mushrooms and cook until the mushrooms are tender. Depending on the moisture in the mushrooms, this may take a few minutes. Add a little bit more oil if you think it's needed. They're starting to take on a little bit of color, so you know they're close to being done. Next we'll add the cabbage and then the carrots. Add the cabbage. We've cut everything roughly because we're going to chop in the end. Add the carrots. These colors look amazing, so vibrant. We'll give them a few minutes until the vegetables are cooked down a little bit and you see slight char on them. These vegetables are done, so we're going to go ahead and take them off of the wok and let them cool before we chop them up in the chopper. Just transfer it to a bowl and let the vegetables cool before chopping them. Now we're going to add the vegetables. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of tofu. We're going to seal the container and chop. Transfer the mixture to the bowl. We're going to add a little bit of white pepper, salt, and a drizzle of sesame oil. And give that a good mix. Let's go ahead and fill our wontons. This is the fun part, assembling the wontons. My wife and I love to do this together. All you need is wonton wrappers, the vegetable tofu mixture, and a cup of water to dip your finger. First, take a wonton wrapper in your hand. Spoon a little bit of the mixture in the center. Dip your finger in the water and water the 3 edges. Fold the wonton in. Crimp the sides and just make sure to get all the air out. Behind the wonton, press in the middle, water the 2 edges, and crimp the ends, forming the wonton. There you go. That's a beautiful wonton. Let's make one more, just for practice. Bring a pot of water to boil, and we're going to add some oil in the water to help with separation. With the water boiling, gently add a few wontons. You don't want to crowd the pan. Give them a little bit of a stir, and wait until the wontons rise to the top. That way you know they're done. Usually it takes about 30 to 60 seconds. It's starting to rise now, and these look like they're done. We're just going to gently pull them out of the water and transfer them into a plate. This plate is oiled, so it helps prevent sticking. Let's place the wontons in a bowl. To it, we're going to add our sauce mixture. Give that a little stir. We're going to add the garnish, a little bit of green onions, some sesame seeds, and a little bit of cilantro. A little bit more of the sauce mixture. Let's take a look. Oh man, that looks so good. You can also add veggie broth to it and have wonton soup. Please like and subscribe to help support our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.